how to send an invoice on PayPal. First, you got to go to paypal.com and sign in. And then you want to click on send from the top bar here. Now on the right side under more ways to send, you can click on send an invoice. And now all you got to do is fill in the details for your invoice. So for example, you can pick the quantity, the hours, the currency, and all of the details that goes into your invoice, as well as the item name, description, and all of that stuff. And once you're done, you can basically preview it by clicking this button here. And once it's good, you can basically click on the send button to send the invoice. And here goes the email address or the name of whoever or the customer that is going to be receiving this invoice. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.